when I travel, I usually have my family, and I get to take my kids into all these small towns where you can just see that they put on display the history that the forest industry has had in each of these small towns, and it touches every town in the US and Canada in some way, and it's just a really part of our history, and that's really what it means to me, is the historical aspect of it. My name is Heidi. I'm with Opticom Tech, and we manufacture industrial cameras for sawmills. So Opticom was incorporated in 1973. We celebrated 50 years last year, based out of Vancouver, BC, and about 8 years ago we relocated our main office to be out of Michigan, but we do a lot of business in the US and Canada as our primary, but we do a lot globally as well. Yeah, so we usually work with the electrical supervisors for our cameras. One of the cool things about our cameras and what really sets us apart is that they are vibration resistant, high impact, heat resistant, weatherproof, waterproof, all the proofs that you need really to go in a mill because it's pretty hazardous area. One of the big perks about our products versus our competitors' products is that our products are specifically built for sawmills. So instead of the traditional R&D paths, which includes a lot of laboratory testing and things like that, we field test all of our products. So when we develop something new for a sawmill, we take it and we send it out to people that we know in the sawmills and tell them to just beat it up and see how long it'll survive, and then we tweak and adapt our products that way. Yep, so we've got distributors in the US as well as we go direct in some areas in the US, and we have distribution all throughout Canada and distribution globally as well. Yeah, so some of the new stuff that we have coming out is because we're shifting into a lot of different areas and industries, as our cameras are starting to come out with M12 connections, which is pretty exciting, and as well as we're moving into a lot of thermal imaging and really just listening to the feedback of what the mills want. And so we're coming out with a lot of technology over the next 6 months that we're real excited to present to everybody. Yeah, so here at Opticom we really pride ourselves because the sawmill industry is so hazardous. We are really excited that we have 3-year warranties, and on electronics that are really small, fine component electronics, that's unheard of. So we offer a 3-year warranty for an RMA process, that's repair replacement. So if you have an issue, call us up, we'll either repair it. If we can't repair it, we're going to replace it and send you a new one under the warranty. And anything outside of warranty, we just really appreciate working with you guys, so we usually work it out and figure out how we can just best service you as a customer. So it's really cool to go to the shows every couple of years here and then in the Southeast, but also to have conversations and go into the mills and see the technology as they move out the old equipment and bring in the new equipment. That's always an exciting thing to see.